East Africa alone has over 1,300 bird species, each with its own story to tell. And through Todd Gustafson's lens and To the Ends of the Earth series, we have an unparalleled eye-level photographer's view of avian species with whom we share our delicate planet. We have so much in common and share so many life's imperatives with birds. We all compete for mates and food. We raise families and provide for them. Some things we do for the sheer joy of it. Raptors, waterbirds, waders, and bushbirds all have a part in this story.